There is and there are, and places in a town. Remember, to say something exists, we can say there is or there's. There is or there's. This is for a singular thing. For example, there is a police station in my town, or there's a police station in my town. For example, there is a hospital in my town, or there's a hospital in my town. Remember, to say something does not exist, we can say there isn't. There isn't. This is for a singular thing. For example, there isn't a police station in my town, or there isn't a hospital in my town. Remember, to say that two or more things exist, we can say there are. There are. This is for plural things. For example, there are 2 cafes in my street, or there are some cafes in my street, or there are many cafes in my street. Remember, to say that 2 or more things do not exist, we can say there aren't any. There aren't any. This is for plural things. For example, there aren't any cafes in my street, or there aren't any shops in my street, or there aren't any bus stops in my street. Remember, for questions, we put the verb in the first place. There is. Is there? Is there? This is for singular things. For example, is there a bus stop in your street? Is there a supermarket in your town? Is there a newsagent in your town? Remember, for questions for plural forms, there are becomes are there any? Are there any? This is for plural things. For example, are there any museums in your town? Are there any train stations in your town? Are there any cinemas in your town?